Riri President William Ruto aricera kaunti-ini ya Garissa kuria atwarite mubango wa nyota atongoria na muingi kuma Daadab nimorite President Ruto ahingũre mũhaka wa Kenya na Somalia nĩguo gũcokereria kwa wonjoria mwena ũyũ. Atongoria ya maugite ati thirikari no gute irate mbeca nyingi kuhitukira thuguri cia magendo undu umwe no gitiri gutharara. Ningi ni moritie mekirirwo rami kuma mjini nginya Liboi undu uria ukunyihia tharikira cia bomu iria itegagwo ni itoi.
Watu ya wakaji wa Garissa County sana pande wa Liboi Daadab, boda ilikuwa inatusaidia kwa njia mingi kufanya biashara na kupata pia usalama. Hivi karibuni tunasema kwamba hata serikali imepotea ushuru mingi ambayo ingetusaidia. Boda ni kama officially closed, lakini haijafungwa bado. Vitu zinapita, magari zinakuja, chakula inaingia. Tumekosa tu ile ushuru serikali ingebata.
We expect to get the tarmacking of the Daadab Liboi road. That is a road that has been forgotten for a long time. We expect you to give us that road tarmacked during your term.
After 63 years of independence, we feel that now we are part of Kenya. We appreciate your inclusivity, we appreciate your objectiveness, and we also appreciate for giving the young, talented, and well-educated youth of our country a chance to lead this country in different capacities.
President William Ruto ni amenereirie na